Welcome! Let's have a quick look at how to show or hide the formula bar in Excel in a quick and easy way. Hello and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Maria, and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. If the formula bar is missing in the Excel spreadsheet, click on View tab, then find the group Show and select the formula bar option. The formula bar appears and you can see all the functions and formulas in cells. If you want to hide the formula bar, simply unselect the option Formula Bar and it'll no longer be visible. This is a great way to declutter the space on the screen and extend the working area in your spreadsheet. And if you're curious how to hide or show the ribbon in Excel, to have even more room on your screen to show the content of the spreadsheet, watch the next EasyClick Academy video tutorial. You can find the link that'll lead you to the video in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the EasyClickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.